Morning, D1. Happy Tuesday. Let's go ahead and let's talk about what your jobs are for today. So first things first, we are on our home page. We're going to come to assignments. It is December 1st, and we're going to go ahead and click on Tuesday. I'm scrolling down and you can see our schedule. So let's go ahead, let's talk about what our jobs are for today. So first things first, we have our morning work. Remember, we are talking about singular possessive nouns, meaning when we're talking about possessive, we're talking about possession, meaning it belongs to someone. And so you're going to go ahead, you are going to click on the slide or the assignment, and you're going to see that this is the same video as yesterday. So if you've already watched it, you do not have to watch it again, but if you'd like to, it's there for you as an option. You're going to go ahead, you are going to click on slide number 2, and this is where you're going to have your job. You're going to see you have some circles available for you. There should be enough, but if you ever run out of circles, you can just send me a quick message, or some friends know how to make them as well. You go to the insert button and shape and so on. But what you're going to go ahead and do is you are going to have to go through and decide which of these words are possessive nouns. Some of them are contractions. Remember, contractions are when we take two words and put them together. So for example, it's, that would be it is. It is a contraction, not a singular possessive noun, but because it has that apostrophe S, sometimes people confuse it. So you need to make sure that you're looking for something that is a noun and it shows possession. And there's going to be 12 in total, so make sure when you're going through and you're circling, you count up that you have 12 in total. So that's going to be your job for today. Then you're going to go ahead and click on the journal prompt. It is Top 10 Tuesday. It is writing a top 10 list of things that you're good at. You guys are so awesome. You're so scholarly. You guys are amazing. And so this should be a pretty fairly easy task for you. You're going to go ahead, list 1 through 10 what the things that you're good at. It could be maybe a video game. It could be making macaroni and cheese. It could be all these different types of things, right? And so you're going to go ahead, you're going to make a list 1 through 10 of the different items that you are good at. And then you're going to go ahead and give me 5 to 6 sentences explaining why you're good at one of those things, that number 1 item that you went ahead and listed. So make sure you go ahead and complete that. Remember, that is going to be done in your physical journal. Then we have our Zoom. You click the Zoom link. After our Zoom, you're going to go ahead. You're going to click on the little boy stretching because we have our PE Zoom at 10 o'clock. So you're going to go ahead, you are going to click on the website. I will want you to note that the meeting ID and passcode has changed, so I went ahead and I fixed that for you guys. So just keep that in mind. If you had memorized the one before, it has changed, so just keep that in mind. You're going to go ahead, you are going to press the orange button. It's going to take you to your Zoom for PE. After your PE Zoom, you have a break, you deserve it, give yourself that time, and then come back and get ready to complete the rest of your assignments. You have your prefix and suffix practice. You're going to go ahead and click the YouTube button. And it's going to go ahead, it's going to take you to our video. Remember, you should be doing this every single day. It's to help you guys become stronger readers. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to do that. Then you're going to go ahead. We are going to be continuing talking about author's point of view. If you did not watch the video yesterday, click this video camera. It's going to take you straight to the video. Super duper important that you watch this video. It is an awesome video that explains exactly what author's point of view is. So please make sure you watch this today. Then you're going to go ahead, you are going to click on the orange book, and that's going to take you to your point of view assignment. Yesterday you talked about cats versus dogs in your story, and today you're going to be talking about pizza. I mean, these are all topics you're all very passionate about. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to go through. You are going to listen or read the assignment. Then it's going to ask you to go ahead, what is the author's point of view about the topic? Then, what 3 reasons does the author give for his or her point of view? You're going to go ahead, you are going to type. Then you're going to go back and highlight the text evidence. That is going to be the most important piece, and you are going to get credit for highlighting your evidence. Then number 3 is a multiple choice problem, and then you're going to go to number 4. You're going to tell me, do you agree or disagree with the author, and at least 3 main points to support your opinion. Then you have lunch. After lunch, you're going to come back. You're going to continue to do some work. You're going to do your multiplication with 4 and 6. So remember, we talked about strategies for multiplying with 4 and 6. You can use the models that we already know, array, we know equal groups, we know repeated addition, but you can also use double-double, or use 5 as a guide, right, to help you with 4 and 6. And so you're going to go ahead, you're going to go through, you are going to tell me the products for these problems. So you're going to go through, complete multiply with 4, and then the same with multiply with 6. And then lastly, you have your iReady reading. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to click the iReady symbol. It's going to take you straight there, and then clean up. And that's going to be it for your day. If you have any questions, please let me know. For my friends who are watching before our Zoom, make sure you have your holidays around the world ready, because we're going to be looking at this today. So if you are a superstar and you want to get this ready to go so you don't have to worry about getting up during Zoom, perfect. Otherwise, I'll just give you 1 minute to go ahead and grab it. And that's going to be it for the day. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye, D1.